What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have the Pixel 4a 5G, and I'm going to show you how to install Android 12, one of the beta versions that are out now. Now, the official Android 12 drops most likely this fall with the new Pixels that are coming out. The Pixel 6, Pixel 6 XL, Pixel Pro, Pixel 6 Pro, whatever you want to call it, or even the later on, if they do release it, the Pixel 5a. Now, I have the 4a 5G. Now, there's a couple ways that you could install Android 12 beta, but they do have a beta program for the Pixel phones that you can install this. And this, I think, is the easiest way to do it. Now, I'll have a link down in the description that you can click on so it can take you to this exact web page that's on my Pixel 4a 5G right now. Now, a couple things that you need to take note of. When you install the Android 12 beta, it's not going to wipe anything. It's going to just update it to Android 12 and you're going to be good to go. But just as a fail-safe, make sure you back up all your pictures, all your data, text messages, phone calls, contacts, all that good stuff. Now, another heater warning, make sure that if you want to opt out of Android 12 and go back to 11, when you do that, it's going to send you an update for Android 11, and that will erase your entire phone, everything that's on it. So make sure if you do go back to 11 from 12, you make sure that you back up all your photos, all your phone, all your text messages, all that good stuff that you want to save, because it will wipe it completely. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this website that I'm going to leave a link down in the description, and then you're going to go down and you're going to look for your device. Okay, you got to make sure you're logged into your Google account that's on your phone onto this website in the Google Chrome browser. Now, there's my Pixel 4a 5G, and all you're simply going to do is hit opt in. It's going to give you some instructions there. You can agree to terms, all that good stuff. So a couple things: I agree to the terms of the beta. I'm not going to check anything else off because I don't need to do that. And then you're going to simply hit OK, and I'll show you what you're going to have to do next. It's pretty simple. You just simply, it probably takes no longer than 5-10 minutes, but sometimes it can take a little longer to get to your system. So you're going to simply scroll down to your settings. You're going to go to your system, then hit advance, and then you want to go to system update. You see, your system is up to date to the Android 11, as you see there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit check for update. All right, so now you see you have your system update to beta version 12 on your device. And all you have to do is hit that download and install. And then it's gonna download. Now, this is a pretty sizable update. Now, it does have some bugs here and there, but I did use the beta 2 as my daily device, and I had pretty much no problems. So you can use it as your daily device, but I'm not you, so I'm not sure what you need, but I think it does run pretty good. But don't take my word from it. You're gonna have to try it out, see if you like it, and that kind of thing. Now, you're gonna have to hit resume here when you do hit download for whatever reason, and then you see there it's downloading and installing your update for Android 12 beta. This is one of the great things about having a Pixel device, is you can do this kind of stuff and get the latest and greatest from Android that you won't get on a Samsung or OnePlus or any of the other Android devices like a Pixel phone. So that's the cool thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this download and install, and then we'll be back. All right, there's a couple things that I want to show you before I actually do reboot the device. Now, it's going to download it, install it, and then it's going to ask you to restart now to actually have Android 12 running and going. But I wanted to show you a couple differences. Let's go to the lock screen. You see how the lock screen is now on Android 11. Let's go ahead and go into the phone. I'm going to pull down the quick settings. Make sure you remember what that looks like. So there's going to be some visual changes with Android 11. The other thing that you want to make sure that you know, once again, you can back, if you don't like Android 12, you can opt out. You hit that opt out button. It's going to send you a system update just like the 12, but for 11. But remember, 11 is going to wipe your device, so you're going to have to back up. I would back up either way if you go from 11 to 12 or 12 to 11. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, also the lock screen, when you put in your code, it's gonna look different also. So take that into consideration. So we're gonna go ahead and hit restart now. It's gonna restart the device. And then we're gonna take a look at Android 12. All right, so there we go. We got Android 12. You get this message on your screen. This device has enrolled the Android beta program. And all you simply do is hit OK. And as you see, the lock screen is completely new. You see that big giant clock. Android stud still rocking there on the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and see the lock screen is different too. You see the visual change, which is great. I don't want you to see my code because I might bump into you in the street. Just kidding. But now look at this. Look at these big icons for your settings. So you see the differences. There's some other stuff there too. I'll be doing a video kind of just showing you the different changes here. There's a lot of visual changes in the settings for your wallpaper and your icons and all kinds of cool stuff where you could change the color of your clock. So there's a lot of different colors that you could have. I kind of like this gold, so we're gonna rock that for a little bit. As you see, you wipe down, you get that gold or light orange, whatever you want to call it. But that's gonna do it, man. That's how you install Android 12 Beta 3 on your Pixel 4a 5G. You could do this for your Pixel 5, you could do this for your Pixel 4a, and I believe some other Pixels that qualify for the Android beta program as far as Android 12 is concerned. But that's gonna do it. Leave a like, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions on, if you're having trouble installing this or anything like that, or if you have any questions about anything about installing this on your device, let me know. But that's gonna do it, man. I appreciate you guys watching Android Stud. I wanted to show you how to get this Android 12 on your Pixel devices. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna be enjoying this new Android 12. Peace, party people.